Thinking about opening a money market account, but stuck on which one to choose? Specifically, how does Patriot Bank's MMA truly stack up against the online powerhouse, First Internet Bank? That's what we're breaking down today. We'll look at the key factors that decide where your savings grow fastest and safest: APY, fees, and accessibility. Let's dive in and see which bank wins this money market matchup. Money bag. Interest rates, APY is king. When it comes to a money market account, the annual percentage yield, or APY, is the most crucial number. First Internet Bank generally comes out swinging with a very strong, highly competitive APY. It's often one of the higher rates you'll find, especially for an online-focused bank, making it a powerful growth engine for your cash. Patriot Bank, on the other hand, operates with a tiered rate structure. While their overall rates can be competitive, especially for higher balances, you'll need to check which tier your deposit falls into. The APY you earn is directly tied to how much money you keep in the account, which might mean a lower rate for smaller savers compared to First Internet Bank's typical high rate. So, for sheer rate potential across most balances, First Internet Bank often takes the lead. Fees and minimum balances. Nobody likes hidden costs. Let's talk about how to keep your earnings from being eaten up by fees. First Internet Bank typically has a monthly maintenance fee that you can avoid by maintaining a specific average daily balance. The required minimum balance to waive that fee is usually around $4,000. They also have a relatively low minimum deposit to open the account, often just $100. Patriot Bank also has a similar monthly maintenance fee, and the balance required to waive it is generally lower than First Internet Bank, often around $2,000. This lower threshold for avoiding fees is a definite advantage for savers who don't keep large balances. Patriot also often has a low minimum to open, too. In the fee avoidance category, Patriot Bank is often the more lenient option for the average saver. Accessibility and features. This is where the two banks show their biggest differences, their core models. First Internet Bank is, as the name suggests, a nearly 100% online bank. This means easy online account management, but it also means limited cash deposit options. You can't just walk into a branch. However, their money market account typically comes with a debit card and check writing privileges, offering great digital and transactional flexibility, plus ATM fee rebates. Patriot Bank operates with a regional, brick-and-mortar presence in states like Connecticut and New York. If you live near a branch, you have the advantage of in-person deposits and services. Like most MMAs, they also offer easy access to funds and a check writing feature. However, their digital experience and transfer limits might not be as seamless as a pure online bank. If you value the highest possible APY and digital convenience, First Internet Bank is a fantastic choice. If you prefer a lower threshold to avoid monthly fees and the peace of mind of a physical branch nearby, and you have a larger balance to hit those higher APY tiers, then Patriot Bank could be your winner. Choose the one that best matches how you bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.